baby, you and me like an endless sea, like a bright light shining down on me. You are all the colors I see.
Baby, you and me on a long lost road. Thought we both gone missing, but we broke the code. Honey, what we got here is gold. Love moves like a river flows. No one knows where it goes. Let's make it last, put a new record on. I'm so tired of this old song. Turn it up a notch. Let's show 'em what we got. Let's make it last. This is too good to lose. Baby, we can't kick this blues. Honey, break the beat. All the song that's on repeat and make it last. Let's make it last. Love moves like a river flows. No one knows where it goes. Let's make it last. Put a new record on. I'm so tired of this old song. Turn it up a notch. Let's show 'em what we
Can you say good morning?
Good morning, I taken a nap.
You were taking a nap? Did you have a sleep? The kids are playing with this kinetic sand that I got. Really, really awesome investment, $5 investment, because they really enjoy it. It can keep them busy for a very long time, but they both play well together when doing this, which is nice because sometimes there can be arguments. But good morning. I'm gonna take you throughout our morning here and show you how we accomplish things. I'm gonna set a timer here and I'm gonna do a brain dump, and then I'm gonna start on the dishes and the laundry. And yeah, come along with us, get it all done.
It's so much harder now to reach you. Your heart is floating in the sky. We known each other for so long. We know our love like an old song. Sing along one more time. It's so much harder now to
flowers in the evening. Then you come around, spin my world upside down. Taught me how to fly higher, higher. 'Cause when you spin me all around, I can't stop the feeling, and it's true, I'm in paradise. It's hard to believe it, 'cause when you spin me all around, my head stops to reason. So please help me understand. You wanna stay with me now. You wanna stay with me now. Days move on like all the time, and this gray sky breaks my mood every morning. Then you come around, spin my world upside down. Taught me how to fly higher, higher. Won't you spin me all around again?
We are making a little grilled cheese for breakfast. I'll air quote that. But we're gonna do some balsamic onions, and then I think I've made this before. It's really good. I have some fresh apples and then some whole grain bread. And hi buddy. I'm going to use the Kite Hill spreadable cream cheese on there. This is very customizable as per usual. So you can add whatever you want to it. I do have some arugula that I'm gonna add to it, and maybe some spinach, and I'm going to dip it in a maple mustard. So all you gotta do is cut these onions here into some slivers and then water fry them with some balsamic salt and pepper, and that gives it a really great flavor. We're gonna do water first, and then once they get fragrant, that's when you add the balsamic salt and pepper. You're gonna take that off. Okay, you're gonna take it off the heat, and then you'll add your toast pieces. I am going to use a little bit of olive oil on the bottom, but avocado oil would be ideal for this. So I have the whole grain toast down. I have a little bit of olive oil. I put the cream cheese spread on one side. I have apples and the balsamic onions. I'm gonna toast that and serve it with some extra greens. Generally let the kids pick what they want, but Wilder wanted pork, barbecue sauce, an apple, some cheese, and bread. So that's breakfast for today, right? And this balloon. And I'm just having this and some of this barbecue sauce instead of the maple mustard. And then a tall glass of water with lemon. I drink about 5 of these a day, at least I try to. But sometimes it can only be 3. Now I am editing some photos for a friend here. I edit everything in Lightroom, and yeah, and I have
This is not everything.
I have, what do I have going? I have G presets. If you are a photographer, then you probably know about them. I really enjoy their presets. I don't know what package I have, but it has some like warm fall tones to it. And honestly, I shoot in manual, so I make the settings according to what I see, but then I go in and I do just little things like this. Like there's a red flag, so I use my spot tool and I just bring it over. I'll probably lower it a little bit and do that, and then it's gone. It's pretty easy to get rid of stuff like that. But yeah, I'm gonna scroll out now.
This is mine.
Okay. No, thanks for touching. And then I'll show you, I'm using the G3 preset 3, the clean here. And then I'll probably just do a crop as well. move them over a little bit so it's centered,
And this
and
one.
enter, and then yeah, that's good to go. So
That's good to go.
yeah, it's good to go. So I'm going
And this
to
is so
export
fun.
it to the desktop here, and then I use Pixie Set so clients can see their galleries, and then
one.
they can also order from there if they want to. You know, you can get it on a print, or you can get it as a print, you could get it as a canvas, but I'm gonna go through and edit this gallery and finish it off, and then I'm going to edit another gallery and call it good. Hi, I'm back. I also forgot that I do check these two boxes. You remove chromatic aberration and you enable profile corrections. So naturally when a photo, or when a camera takes a photo, it can't get exactly what the eye is seeing, so it just fixes that. So this one's good to go. Super cute.
I like to bring
One of the best families I've ever
Look at this
photographed
one.
because they're easygoing and just happy, and I love that. So this was a nice gallery.